Today, we soar high in the skies with Air Canada Rouge, flying a quick 4-hour journey to the vibrant city of Kingston, Jamaica. We'll be immersing ourselves in 48 hours of pure bliss, nestled high up in the mountains at a charming Airbnb cottage. Join me as I showcase the breathtaking beauty of Portland, a paradise unlike any other. I'll be your guide, leading you through the beautiful landscapes of Portland. Together, we uncover the hidden gems that make this place a sheer paradise. From pristine beaches that beckons with their turquoise waters, to the lush surroundings that embrace us, Portland is a destination that promises unforgettable experiences. We'll dive into cuisines that Portland has to offer, feasting on mouth-watering flavors at Boston Jerk Center, where spices and succulent meats collide. I can't forget the delights at Geejam Hotel, where breakfast becomes a luxurious affair. We'll spend our afternoons basking in the Jamaican sun at not one, not two, but 3 stunning beaches nestled within the heart of Portland. From the private beach at Geejam Hotel to Frenchman's Cove with its pristine sands, and to the hidden gem of Sand Beach, each offers its own unique slice of paradise. Let's start my story here, where I'm seated in seat 3A in business class aboard this Airbus A319. It's a full flight today, carrying 136 passengers on board. The range of alcoholic beverages and the hot meal options available have already surpassed my expectations, setting the stage for a truly remarkable experience. Our adventure continues as we touch down at Kingston's Norman Manley Airport. We're greeted by my friend's brother, who graciously offers us his car for the duration of our stay in Jamaica, saving us the hassle of renting a vehicle. We were now ready to embark on the unforgettable journey through the captivating landscapes of St. Andrew and St. Mary. The winding mountainous roads present us with an exhilarating adventure where each turn holds a new surprise, keeping our senses on high alert. As we traverse the stunning landscapes of St. Mary, let the rhythm of the music and the vibrant colors that surround us guide our way. From the vibrant markets overflowing with fresh produce to the lively streets filled with laughter and people speaking patois, we'll witness the undeniable spirit that is quintessentially Jamaican. Arriving in the evening, darkness started to blanket the landscape while ascending up the steep road, leading us to our Airbnb. The night sky, a captivating symphony of changing colors, offers a glimpse of the breathtaking beauty of Portland. As we arrived at our destination, a feeling of safety and security greeted us, personified by a towering wooden automatic door that stood as our steadfast guardian. Its imposing presence reassured us, setting the stage for a truly relaxing experience. The sight of a distant gym piqued my curiosity, which I'll take a closer look at in the morning, but it was a mango tree that stole my attention, which I eagerly awaited morning's light to see if any mangoes were left. As the sun rises, a world of wonder unfolds before us. In this picturesque mountain retreat, we find solace and serenity amidst nature's gentle embrace. I am thrilled to guide you on an enchanting tour of the Starfish Cottage, a true haven nestled in the breathtaking beauty of Port Antonio, Portland. Step into a realm where tranquility reigns supreme and the symphony of nature surrounds us. The Starfish Cottage, a sanctuary amidst the lush landscapes of Port Antonio, offers an unparalleled escape from the demands of everyday life. Let us embark on a journey through this exquisite haven, where every corner reveals a new delight. The air is filled with the refreshing scent of tropical blooms, and the sounds of chirping birds creates a harmonious melody that soothes the soul. Step onto the private balcony, where you can bask in the golden rays of sunlight and take in the awe-inspiring views that stretch as far as the eye can see. From this vantage point, you'll witness the true splendor of Port Antonio's natural beauty, from the majestic mountains to the shimmering coastline. This enchanting space offers more than just a place to stay. It provides access to a fantastic fitness facility, complete with a 25-meter swimming pool and a jungle gym. Just a short 8-minute drive from Port Antonio, this location offers convenience while being close to all the sights and attractions that make this area so special. If you're craving some beach time, Frenchman's Cove Beach is only 5 minutes away, offering pristine sand and turquoise waters. We had the pleasure of visiting this beach, which is a must if you're ever visiting Portland. As a guest, you have access to the swimming pool and the jungle gym, providing opportunities for relaxation and keeping fit, which is something I need to get back into. While staying at the Starfish Cottage, you'll enjoy privacy and comfort. The cottage itself is independent, featuring its own bathroom, mini fridge, room safe, closet, and all the basics you need to make tea or coffee. When you book the cottage, the shared facilities, such as the pool, gym, and fully equipped kitchen, caters to the 2 cottages on the property, which I later found out when we were leaving. Booking your stay is a breeze. Simply visit the Airbnb website and search for Port Antonio, Jamaica, hosted by our wonderful host, David. He's always just a phone call away to assist you during your stay. When you book your stay, you'll enjoy the convenience of self-check-in. Upon arrival, you can easily access the cottage using the lockbox provided. This hassle-free process allows you to settle in and start enjoying your vacation right away. Rest assured that you'll be in good hands when you choose to stay at the Starfish Cottage. The Starfish Cottage's ideal location ensures that breathtaking beaches are just moments away. Winifred Beach and Frenchman's Cove Beach are just a taste of the pristine coastal paradises within easy reach. Later, I'll take you to San Beach for an unforgettable experience. But first, it's time to indulge in a delectable breakfast at Geejam Hotel. As we headed to Geejam Hotel for breakfast, I spotted a vendor selling guineps, one of my favorite fruits in Jamaica. I didn't think I'd find this fruit now, as I was told it wasn't the season yet for guineps.
Same thing there, say. Because they said the guinep season not start yet. No.
Some. You'll be a early guinep for me.
Alright.
I just guinep if I will that done, man.
You don't want so much though. Maybe when I come back, we can get it.
Yeah, it's done. That was a year.
These unexpected moments add a touch of joy to my day, creating memories that I will definitely remember. Arriving at Geejam Hotel, we were greeted by an extraordinary view that took our breaths away. Welcome to Geejam Hotel, a luxurious boutique retreat that combines modern comforts with a serene tropical atmosphere. With its exclusive accommodations and personalized service, it's truly a hidden gem. As we soar above, you can see the lush greenery that surrounds the hotel, creating a tranquil oasis. The rooms and suites here offer a perfect blend of elegance and Jamaican charm, with breathtaking views from private balconies. But what makes Geejam truly unique is its music scene. Check out their state-of-the-art recording studio, attracting talented artists from around the world. Dive into the inviting outdoor pool, unwind in the jacuzzi, or indulge in a rejuvenating spa treatment at the Bush Bar Spa. Pure bliss awaits you here. The Bush Bar restaurant tantalizes your taste buds with a fusion of Jamaican and international cuisine. Delight your senses with the vibrant flavors of fresh ingredients, skillfully crafted to create an unforgettable dining experience that will leave you craving for more. They ran out of my first choice, which was ackee and saltfish, so I got their mouth-watering pancakes and crispy bacon while my friend Jay savored a delightful omelet. The experience was simply divine. The surprises were far from over. After our satisfying breakfast and many shots of rum, we were invited to explore Geejam Hotel's private beach, a hidden oasis exclusively reserved for their guests. The staff graciously provided towels and access to an array of water equipment, adding even more of an extra layer of delight to our day. This exceptional level of customer service left an indelible mark, ensuring that my next visit to Portland would include a stay at Geejam Hotel. Thank you both Sidoni and Sam for the superb customer service. Later in the evening, we made our way to the world-famous Frenchman's Cove Beach. This breathtaking destination is known for its stunning natural beauty and captivating atmosphere. As we arrived, we were greeted by turquoise waters and soft golden sands that beckoned us to unwind and experience the magic of this coastal paradise. Walking on the velvety sand, feeling the warm Caribbean sun on your skin, and listening to the gentle lull of the waves, Frenchman's Cove Beach offers the perfect setting for ultimate relaxation and bliss. As you embark on your beach adventure, rest assured that everything you need for a truly blissful day is conveniently available at your fingertips. From comfortable beach chairs to tantalizing food and refreshing drinks, every detail has been carefully considered to enhance your seaside experience. As the evening sets in, we venture to this renowned culinary hotspot where flavors come alive and taste buds are tantalized. As we drove into the Boston Jerk area, a symphony of aromas filled the air, instantly igniting our senses. The anticipation builds as we sample a wide array of dishes, each more tantalizing than the last. From the rich, flavorful soups to the perfectly seasoned jerk chicken and melt-in-your-mouth jerk pork, every bite is a journey to culinary bliss. The next morning, our adventure took us to the renowned Juici Patty, a place I had heard so much about. The anticipation was palpable as we stepped into this beloved eatery for the very first time. As a lover of authentic Jamaican cuisine, I couldn't contain my excitement and wanted everything I saw on the menu. After missing out on my beloved ackee and saltfish at Geejam, I was thrilled to discover that Juici Patty had this national dish on their menu. To complement the flavors, I opted for a cup of creamy peanut porridge. While the patties may not have matched my personal preference for a thin and flaky crust, the memorable experience of savoring the ackee and saltfish, along with the porridge, made it all worthwhile. After our satisfying breakfast, our journey continued along West Street in Port Antonio, where we found ourselves craving a taste for KFC. We decided to bring this delight along for our next adventure. After a quick change of plans, not to go rafting on the Rio Grande or kayaking over to Monkey Island near the Blue Lagoon, we decided to set out and explore another hidden gem known as Sand Beach. A fee of $1,200 Jamaican dollars for entry, and if needed an additional $300 for a lounger, opens Friday to Sunday and public holidays. This beach is one of the most exclusive beach here in Port Antonio. It's located at the base of Sand District, where many of the area's nicer villas are located. The fine sand beach hugs a cove next to Alligator Head and overlooks Pellew Island, from where a protective reef extends eastward to the mouth of Blue Hole. We spent most of our days immersed in the refreshing, warm waters, feeling the gentle caress of the waves against our skin as we relaxed on the enchanting beauty of Sand Beach. We soon discovered that the beach did not offer a bar or a restaurant facility, now feeling lucky that we made a stop at KFC. To ensure a delightful beach experience, I would recommend bringing your own food and drinks to fully immerse yourself in the serenity of this coastal paradise. Amidst the breathtaking beauty of our surroundings, we stumbled upon a charming swing that beckoned us with its irresistible allure. It stood as a whimsical invitation for anyone who dared to embark on a journey of pure joy and embrace their inner child. This intriguing swing reminded me of the importance of embracing our inner child, of allowing ourselves to let go and fully immerse in the magic of the moment. It served as a gentle reminder that amidst life's responsibilities, we should never forget the childlike wonder and spontaneous joy that reside within us. As the night fell upon us, we couldn't resist the magnetic pull of Boston jerk, drawing us back for another mouth-watering feast of succulent jerk pork and flavorful jerk chicken. As we bid farewell to Boston jerk and made our way back to the Airbnb, we couldn't resist the allure of the night lingering under the starlit sky. With glasses filled with rum, we reflected upon the day's adventures and let our dreams take flight. The tranquility of the Airbnb became a canvas for my aspirations as I contemplated the possibility of creating a similar lifestyle of relaxation and bliss. It was a moment of inspiration and motivation, reminding me that with dedication and determination, dreams can become reality. If you found yourself captivated by the beauty of my journey, don't miss out on the exhilarating drive we took from St. Andrew to St. Mary and finally into the breathtaking landscapes of Portland. You can find the link above or below to immerse yourself in that experience. Your support means the world to me, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember to show your appreciation by liking, sharing, and leaving a comment. Your feedback fuels my passion for creating more exciting content for our adventures. Ciao for now, and let's embark on new adventures together in the future.